was a race car driver. He drove so goddamn fast. Never did win no checker flags, but it never did come in last. Jerry was a race car driver. He'd say, else I'm number one. With a bull CB sticker on his 442, he'd light him up just for fun. Captain Pierce is a fireman. Richmond engine number 3. I'll be a wealthy man when I get that dime for all things a man had talked to me. Now, Captain Pierce was a strong man, strong as any man alive. Stuck in his craw that made him retire at the age of 65. Dog will hunt. Jerry was a race car driver.